So I have a Dell Latitude E7240, and the fan was making a ton of noise. Was trying to find a way to remedy it. Found a whole bunch of different solutions online. I'm not even sure which one worked for me. It was a combination of the following. First, I disabled the turbo boost inside of the BIOS. And what I mean by this is you press F2 to get into your BIOS mode, and then there's a performance tab in the BIOS. And in that performance, there's something, I think it's Intel Turbo Boost. Whatever it was, I turned that off, and that made a difference. And that resolved the problem for the majority of the users experiencing it. However, for myself, I still was getting some fan noise, and I looked for alternative solutions. So here's some of the stuff I found online. So Vitro Viez said, make sure the BIOS is current and install the driver for the Wi-Fi straight from the Intel website. Do not use the Dell Wi-Fi driver that fixed all of our overheating issues. So I did that, and sure enough, that did seem to reduce the noise significantly. So it's a large file. It's like 192 megabytes or something around there, and get it from the Intel website, not the Dell website. Takes a little bit to install. It was strange, but that is a good thing to try out. Then Matthew Parkinson said that he had a similar issue. He updated the BIOS, but none of that helped out. And then he loaded an application called SpeedFan 4.52, and it enabled him to set the target CPU temperature and maximum allowed temperature before the alarm manually. And he said he changed the default threshold from 40 to 60 Celsius to 60 to 80, respectively. And since changing the settings, the fan noise is gone with no ill effects from overheating. So I installed SpeedFan myself, and I didn't modify any of the settings, but at least it allowed me to visually see the temperatures that were occurring. So you may want to try out the SpeedFan option. And then I found Alam Pramananda, and he said he has a 7250. He's always getting that fan sound. The things he tried were the two things that I just covered. Is one, he updated the Intel Wireless ProSet wireless driver directly from Intel, which we did, and then disabled the Intel Turbo Boost in the BIOS. And he said that approach helped him solve the 7250 issue. So this is kind of a recap of the things we covered. Now here's another one. This one may shed some light as to the potential root cause. I don't know. But Thunder77 says, hello guys, I'm a Dell certified service technician, not working directly from Dell, and I can tell you for sure how to resolve the heat problem. So the heat issue is generated because both CPU and Northbridge are in contact with the copper heat pipe. This is not the best scenario. The solution is simple. Take out the thermal grease and put it back, but only to the CPU. The Northbridge is the small square on the right side of CPU. We're addressing to Dell, and they send another heatsink where the heat pipe area cover only the CPU. This is the official solution, but until then you can apply the thermal grease solution. The temperature will drop about 20 degrees Celsius. Cheers. So obviously I didn't try that. If you're advanced and know how to do that, go for it. These are the things that I found in my search. I hope something works for you. And if you find an alternative solution, make sure you put that in the comments below for other people that are trying to resolve their loud fan noise. My fan noise is pretty much gone. There still is a sound of like the computer being turned on, but it's a lot lower than hearing the fan all the time. But for recording audio, it still gets picked up slightly by the microphone, but it's a lot more acceptable than before. Anyway, hope this worked out for you, and thank you for watching Technuba.